Okay, ClydeSight's with the Arvin and MINY reel. Although I didn't really want to have to go through great troubles to take off this top part here, still, as you can see, with taking the reel tables off, it's that exact same design as on the Mini or MINY, however you want to pronounce it. Play mode, that same kind of switch, moves the motor there, releases that. Rewind, moves that motor there and releases that. Makes that sound because the shaft is rubbing against that metal piece there. But it also uses two electrical heads in the same place, same looking head cover, speed controls in the same place. They do the same thing to get the real coverage because they even have the same look, except, you know, instead of being gold, it's silver. To the same look. In here. And then the switch here is just a fast forward switch. Kind of thing, just doubles the speed to that motor. But it does nothing to the rewind. The meter does not work, so I still have to guess the levels with this volume. The mic, which the manual says is, I think it says magnetic microphone or something like that, so probably dynamic, is hardwired into the machine.
Recording with the Arvin 85L08. It must not be, well, it says magnetic. S. One, so S test here. SDC bias. Okay, I just turned off the remote mic switch and then turned it back on.
I want to try recording speaking closer and turn the volume down some. Recording with the Arvin 85L08, speaking up to the microphone. How does this?
Recording with the Arvin 85L08, speaking up to the microphone. How does this?
Sounds like I still have my level too high. It's got the same kind of pop-out handle. Those kind of things. Side shape. Even has things marked on the back, pretty good. On the bottom, however you want to pronounce it, or say it, whatever. And also has a thing where the bottom part comes off. It's got the schematic. Very similar, although yours has the double A's in a different place. Use 6 double A's, 3 C's, one facing the other way from the others because I think one thing runs the erase head during record. Circuit board, I think, is like the same type of circuit board. DC bias, of course.
With the Arvin 85. Okay, I just turned off the remote mic switch and then turned it back on. Recording with the Arvin 85L08, speaking up to the microphone. How does this?
And the rheostat for the speed control is in there. Yep, that's right from the manual. You hear it says magnetic microphone, possible of controlling with the, you know, remote switch stuff. But interestingly enough, we've got the little microphone open. There's the mechanism for the switch. But then the microphone, amazingly enough, even though it is apparently dynamic, it still uses a metal diaphragm if you look closely, you notice the diaphragm is metal on this. Very odd. What's with the obsession with these kind of recorders and using metal diaphragm mics? It's weird. I think it helps contribute to the extreme tinny sound, and why in crystal mics maybe why it's so sensitive to S.